Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Face Yoga Master. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you how I use my Jade Roller here to really help with those eye bags and those puffiness under the eyes. Particularly if you're in your 40s and 50s, this is a great video to watch. I also will be helping you with those fine lines and wrinkles, and we'll be addressing those around the eye area. Finishing off with the all-important lymphatic drainage so you can release all the toxins and waste around the eye area at the end. Now, first things first, you want to start off with clean skin and also making sure that your tool is nice and clean as well, so you're not transferring any bacteria from your tool to your face. Now, I am going to use a little bit of facial oil. If you have a face cream or a eye cream, that's fine too. Just something so you've got a little bit of a slip and glide if you like. Now just placing it into the fingers and just gently applying where the bone is under the eye. Now whatever you apply under the eye is going to draw in like blotting paper, so you don't need to go up too high. And then just by the temples, above the eyebrows, then side of the ears and down the side of the neck. Now we're going to start off with the smaller part of the tool, and we're going to place the fingers onto the nose just for a bit of an anchor, taking the tool literally by the nose and the eye and just gently gliding where the bone is under the eye towards the temple. Now if you like, you can give it a little wiggle at the side here. And one person did actually ask me, why do you give a wiggle at the side once you finish your gua sha or indeed your face Jade Roller? It's really to help with circulation and getting the lymphatics going, if you like. It's not necessary, but I quite like to do this. Now I'm using the tool in a very light way. You don't want to be too heavy-handed. The skin around the eyes is very fine and delicate. And then on the other side, again placing hand as an anchor and just gently gliding under where the bone is under the eye towards the hairline. Now if you like, you can also place your Jade Roller into the fridge beforehand if you want it slightly cooler. This can also help them with inflammation to the area. And then I'm going to take the larger parts here. I'm just going to lift in an upwards motion. This will also help with some of those fine lines, just where those potential crow's feet are, heading towards the hairline. And now and again, if you can just give that a wiggle to promote circulation and the lymph. And then from the middle of the forehead here, just above the eyebrow, just gently gliding along. And one last time. And then onto the other side, so fingers as an anchor, and then from where the bone is towards the hairline, and we're literally covering those potential crow's feet and smile lines at the side of the eyes as well. Again, nice, light, delicate touch. And then hand as an anchor on the forehead and just above the eyebrow, moving in an outwards motion towards the hairline. You can do this morning or evening. I personally like to do this in the morning, particularly if I've woken up with slight puffiness of the eyes. So now taking the smaller part again, we're going to start from almost as far as we can by the eye and then coming down along the nose area, and then under the cheekbone towards the ears. Moving everything out if you like, and again coming from where the eye area is, kind of fits in quite nicely, and then just coming down. This will also help the puffiness as well within the eyes, or under the eyes I mean, and then just gliding under the cheekbone towards the ears. Again, nice and light. And then with the smaller parts here, I'm just going to use the roller and I'm just going to work in different directions between the eyes. What we're doing here is we're really helping calming down the nervous system. We hold a lot of tension in the face, particularly the forehead area, and also scrunching of the eyes. So this will really help. And if you like, you can take a couple of deep belly breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And then taking the larger part, again, just gliding out, outwards motion. And then on the other side. And then again, coming under the eyes, where the bone is, towards the ears. So moving everything outwards. Again, feather-light touch. What we're doing here, we're also moving toxins and waste within the lymph. And the lymph is very close to the surface of the skin, so you don't need to be heavy-handed at all. And then with the larger parts here of the Jade Roller tool, I'm just coming down now from the hairline, where we've done all that bit of wiggling with the Jade Roller tool, down by the front of the ears where we have plenty of lymph nodes, and then behind the ear when we have plenty of lymph nodes as well. Just a nice light roll. And then from the ear all the way down the big SEM muscle here, down to the collarbone. Getting ready for our final lymphatic drainage release. And then again on the other side here. So just coming down, side of the hairline, and then working down the front of the ear, and then behind the ear, again where we have plenty of lymph nodes. And then gliding from the big SEM muscle, the side of the neck, down to the collarbone with our Jade Roller tool. Again, if you have any extra puffiness or you feel you need more time, you can also spend a bit more time and pause the video if you like on certain areas of your face. So once we've used our tool, obviously you want to make sure then it's washed and nice and clean, ready for use next time. So a light soapy water with warm water and then a final rinse in cool water. And what we need to do now is do some release of toxins and waste. We've moved everything from the puffiness of the eyes, the eye area, helping those eye bags and wrinkles in the process. And now we've moved it down the side of the head and down the side of the neck. And so for a final lymphatic drainage release, which I always like to finish with, is from the chin all the way down. Where our collarbone is, we have some indentations. And if you can just give those a few gentle presses, this will release all the toxins and waste into the rest of the body. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed. It really helps with the algorithm. And please comment down below. Tell me if there's any other facial massage exercises you'd like me to share with you, or any face yoga. And I'll leave another video here if you'd like to join me there. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.